I'm not gonna apologize for this one. Yeah, you've just guessed, I have another Zara haul here for you. It isn't going to be a massive haul though. Maybe it will be more like a Zara unboxing video or Zara styling video, call it how you want. But even if it's not a huge Zara haul, if you are looking for some nice spring long sleeved dresses or outfit ideas from Zara, or if you just love Zara in general, you are exactly where you are supposed to be. I'm sure you will love this little haul moment here with me. Let's drink together our coffees today and let's open the box from Zara together. I have to admit, I am a bit obsessed with this flamingo mug and I really wanted to show you, so I was just looking for an excuse to do this. So yeah, here is the box and I'm ready to open it with you. Why Zara? I think it's one of those places where I end up shopping most of the time, maybe a bit too much, I might say, after Topshop, or maybe it's reverse, who knows. It's a tight competition here between these two, okay? Anyway, I wasn't planning in advance to shop anything this weekend, but I just made a small purchase online and I will be quite honest with you, it was a last minute decision and this is what I'm doing when I'm too excited. Clothing shopping. And lately clothing hauls on my channel, but it looks like you love this type of video so much, so you know what, I'm not even gonna apologize for posting a new haul here. So long story short, when I'm starting to make plans to go anywhere, what I'm doing next is to start planning my outfits. Yesterday we took the decision to go to Dover this weekend here in the UK. I've got super duper excited because first of all, it's been a while since our last escape from the city and now I just cannot wait to go anywhere. Second of all, it is so nice and warmy outside already. You can see the flowering trees, the birds are singing, so on and so forth. You get me, it's spring already, so it is just perfect for a road trip or a weekend getaway, don't you think? But of course the second thought was, what am I gonna be wearing? You might have noticed in my last hauls that I was missing the dresses for this spring season, and I'm imagining right now a city surrounded by cliffs, so I'm thinking only about flowy and feminine dresses. Dover seems to be a bohemian place. It has those chalk cliffs, it has a castle there, so I really needed something pretty to wear. We were thinking to stay there one night maybe, so this means I will need clothes for 2 days and one night out possibly. And of course I had almost nothing really feminine in my wardrobe here in London. I found only this flowy dress from H&M. I've showed this one to you before, but it's not exactly the vibe I was looking for when I'm thinking of feminine dresses. So this is the reason why I have this unjustified Zara package here. Let's start unpacking. So the first dress I'm gonna pick up from this Zara bundle is the blue dress. I love this beautiful pastel blue color. Maybe you already know how much I love blue, and now it's even better because it's a trendy color. I think it will look really pretty if we will have a picnic maybe there, or if it's not gonna be too cold. Hopefully it will be a nice weather. But I can see myself wearing this one for many occasions, just because it's so plain. It will look awesome in a casual look, but I can also make it an elegant option for a spring event, for example. I have two options of styling this dress: the monochromatic look and the Western trend. These are just two ideas that are in my head right now, but I'm sure I can find many other ways to style this blue dress. The next piece is this black dress from Zara. I like it. I wanted to buy myself this type of French-inspired dress for a long time because I've always been into dotted dresses and tops, and finally I did it. I would wear this dress for a walk in the city maybe, because it's such a comfortable style, but a really cool style at the same time. I would see myself wearing this one at a festival as well. It is that type of dress that can give you a super romantic overall look, but also can be accessorized with Western elements for a rock chic vibe. I would wear this black boho dress with hat, black ankle boots, and maybe a black leather jacket if it's a bit chilly, or with a plain sweater on top and maybe some sneakers on. It is very easy to make it a sporty option. The last but not the least, I have this really versatile embroidered shirt dress. It's like a super long shirt, and this long dress allows you to be creative and to play with more layers. When I'm looking at this one, I'm thinking only about relaxed day looks, and besides the fact that you can wear it as a dress, you can wear it as a cardigan for a Sunday brunch maybe, for example. As a cardigan, it is perfect if you just want to add some extra warmth and you want to make a simple outfit pop. So you can wear this Zara piece as a dress with some flats and maybe a swimsuit underneath, or as a cardigan with some short jeans and a crop top. Yeah, it's really easy to match it with anything. Also, I bought myself a really cool hat. I will try this one on, but only this one. Yeah, I love the animal print detail here. I have a theory with the hats. Most of the time you can't realize what's the reason why you feel like the look is not completed, and when you put your hat on, you feel like everything is starting to make sense. So that's why I bought myself this hat. I was missing a black hat, and I think it works really nice with a black dress I just got from Zara. So yeah, we will see the final look really soon.
Yeah.
These are my last purchases from Zara, from the new collection, and I'm really enthusiastic to wear all the dresses when we will be off to Dover. And of course, I'm not gonna forget about the comment winner. So, let me take my phone here. So, I will give a big thank you to everyone for getting involved with my channel, and I want to say that I'm really happy to see that I can inspire you through my fashion videos. This is one of the comments that made me feel really happy. I've got so much positive feedback and it was really hard to choose only one comment. I hope you will stay here for more video inspiration. And maybe you will remember from my last video, the second section of my video is called Insta Inspo, where I get featured my favorite look that I've seen during the last week on Instagram. So because I've just started this section, I have decided to feature 2 accounts this week. The first one is Melissa's account. I will leave her handle on the screen. She has that type of account where you can't just leave without giving her a follow. The aesthetics of her feed are so good. I would love to have such a great feed on my account as well. So many Instagrammable places here. She has great London views and her fashion style is really nice. She's been in Barcelona as well. Really nice. Yeah, so Melissa is the first account I wanted to feature here, and the other account is Chiara's, and I will put her handle here as well. I think she is Italian, I'm not really sure about it, but I like her account because she has a great sense of fashion, and she's also recommending a lot of nice beauty products. I can see some nice flat lace here. It's a really clean and organized profile. I wanted to choose only a picture from her feed, but it's really hard because I like her overall vibe. So I will just scroll down and I will show you her feed so you will have an idea. I will follow her as well. Okay, don't forget, I will feature a comment winner and an Instagram account here weekly. So if you want to be featured in my next videos with your Instagram account, please don't forget to tag me in your outfit picture and to use the hashtag #PoppinIsChristina at the same time, so I will get to see your shot for sure. Of course, if you are on the same page with me when it comes to style, I will definitely feature you here. I would like to know if you want to see more hauls from other brands, more Zara hauls, or maybe more styling videos in general. Just please let me know. If you made it until here with the video, you have to press subscribe as well. I hope you're having a great week and I hope I will see you soon back on my channel again. Okay, see you soon guys. Bye!